Collins, you and Colrick will play the ends. In the same backfield, Jimmy, you and Collins, Chebney, and Niemiec. Now, the success of any team, men, based on team play. Same as we've shown all year. Sacrifice, unselfish sacrifice. These are the fellows they say are pretty good, but I think we're better. And I think if we get ourselves keyed up to a point where we're confident of that, why, the results will take care of themselves. All right, now in the kickoff, if we receive, the little men drop back on the receiver and block long. I don't know Notre Dame style. If we kick off, where the rest of these teams walk, let's run down fast. This is as fast as you can run. And then we go on defense. And on defense, I want the center in and out of that line according to the situation. Use your old head. And I want you guards charging through as far as you can go on every play. They expect to play right over you every time. And the tackles, I want you to go in 1.5 yards and then check yourself. Spread your feet, squat down low, and be ready with your hands and elbows so you won't be sideswiped. But I want the ends in there fast every play, but under control. And you men in the backfield there, I want you to analyze before you move. And if they throw a forward pass, wait till you see the ball in the air, and then go and get it. And when we get it, boys, that's when we go on offense. That's when we go to them. And don't forget we're going to pick on one tackle they've got this week. We're going inside them. We're going outside them. Inside them and outside them. And when we get them on the run once, we're going to keep them on the run. And we're not going to pass unless our secondary comes up too close. But don't forget, man, we're going to get them on the run. We're going to go. And we aren't going to stop until we go to that goal line. And don't forget, man, today's the day we're going to win. They can't lick us. And the left out of the goal. The first whistle of the man to win there. And fight. What do you say, man?